Good morning, dear students. Students, we are doing an important topic of integration, that is integration by parts. So, let's start with the examples because I am already shared you the working rule and the basic concepts related to the same. Here we have example number 21. Find integral of e raised to power x into sin x with respect to x. Here we have two functions. First is exponential and second one is the trigonometric, and that comes in the product. This is the integrand. So here students, by using the elate, we select u and v. Here e is the exponential that comes in the last position and sin x is the trigonometric function that appears early according to exponential. So students, in this way we select sin x as the first function u and exponential is the v. So sin x is u and exponential is v. Now apply the formula of elate. So u as it is integration of v minus derivative of u integration of v complete integration. So here integration of exponential function is as it is and derivative of sin x is cos x. Integration of exponential function remain as it is. So students, here you can observe from this integral cos x into e raised to power x becomes again the question of the same type. So again we select u and v and after that apply the formula of elate. So students, say this integral as I2. I2 is equals to integral of cos x into e raised to power x. Here cos x is the trigonometric function, e raised to power x is the exponential. So in this way we have this function is u, cos x is u and e raised to power x is v. Now apply the formula of integration by parts. We get first function as it is integration of exponential, derivative of cos x, integration of exponential and whole integration. So here apply the formulas of integration. Integration of exponential remain as it is. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Exponential integration is as it is exponential. Now students, you can here observe that minus into minus plus, again we get sin x e raised to power x. So students, this is our question e raised to power sin x and that appears again in the question e raised to power x sin x and that is denoted by I1. So students, here we use I1. Okay. So now putting value of I2 in equation first. Now students, we put the value of I2 in this. This is the step 1. In this way, we get I1 is equals to e raised to power x sin x minus integral of cos x e raised to power x plus c by putting the value. So students, integration of cos x ex with respect to x value is e raised to power x cos x plus I1. अब आप स्टूडेंट देख सकते हैं I1 इज इक्वल्स टू ई रेज टू पावर एक्स साइन एक्स, नेगेटिव साइन ब्रैकेट के बाहर है तो साइन चेंज होंगे. I1 move to the left hand side, I1 plus I1 we get here 2I1 and now dividing by 2 in the right hand side, in this way we get the required result. I1 is equals to e raised to power x over 2 sin x minus cos x plus c is the solution. So students, we have just discussed about example number 21 in your NCERT book, from your NCERT book, and here we have question number 21 of exercise 7.6. Here we have integral of e raised to power x sin x with respect to x. Exponential is e raised to power 2x is the exponential function and sin x is the trigonometric function. So students, by using the elate formula integrating by parts, we get first function as it is exponential of e raised to power 2x minus derivative of sin x Integration of exponential, complete integration. So sin x as it is noted down. Integration of exponential is same. Derivative of 2x in the denominator is 2. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Integration of exponential remain as it is and derivative of power is 2. So again you can observe here we get cos x into e raised to power 2x. So we have to apply again the elate method. So students, we assume this I1. Solving this, cos x is the trigonometric function, exponential is e raised to power 2x is exponential. So we take trigonometric function as u and exponential as v. So first function as it is, integration of e raised to power 2x remain as it is, and derivative of cos x, integration of e raised to power 2x whole integration. So in this way we have integrations as it is, derivative of power is 2 and derivative of cos x is minus sin x, integration of e raised to power 2x as it is, and derivative of 2 is 2. So in this way we get sin x e raised to power 2x over 2. And students, you can compare that. We have same type of question I1 that is denoted by I, and again we get the same concept. So here put is equals, that is equals to I. So we get I1 is equals to 1 over 2 e raised to power 2x cos x by 2 plus 1 over 2 e raised to power 2x sin x. This is I. So by putting this value in the step here and to get the answer. So here students, we put the value. Here we have I is equals to integral e raised to power 2x sin x. By putting the value we get this step. So here e raised to power 2x sin x over 2 minus e raised to power 2x cos x over 4, 2 into 2 4, 1 into 2 1 into 2, we 1 over 2 into 1 over 2 we get minus 1 over 4. Now students, move this 1 over 4 constant term to the right hand side, and here we get 5i over 4. This is I over 4. Okay, so I plus I over 4 is 5i over 4. Now taken 5 in the denominator and 4 in the numerator, we get I is equals to 4 over 5 e raised to power 2x over 4, and here 2 sin x minus cos x minus 4 c1 over 5. स्टूडेंट्स, जब भी c1 के साथ कोई भी कांस्टेंट अपीयर करता है तो हम उसे नेम देते हैं another constant by another constant. So we can write it capital C. So this is our required solution. I is equals to e raised to power 2x over 5 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. So students, hopefully all of you understand the questions. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.